As you can see, this is proof we got the Twitter followers for free. Now let me show you how it all started. If you noticed, at first we had only 9 followers on our Twitter account. Now kindly copy your username and go to any web browser of your choice. Tap and search for DJAKB. Select the first website. Now tap the search bar above and type the keyword family. Scroll down and select the read more below the first post.
A few moments later.
As you can see, we now have 20 followers on our Twitter account. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.